Hey there everybody. So today we're also going to be doing front and rear shocks on my 2009 Chevy Colorado. It has about 90,000 miles on it. When I got it, still had a nice ride. I've had it for about 6 years and definitely need shocks. So instead of just doing a factory upgrade, I'm doing Bilsteins. Every long-term vehicle I've ever had, I had Bilsteins on. I've tried Moreau's, I've tried the Rancho and some of that kind of stuff, and just in my opinion, you cannot beat a Bilstein. So that's what we're doing. A little more expensive, but totally worth it in my book. We'll start off, take the tires off. It's a pretty simple project. Most anybody can do this with basic hand tools. I'll kind of try to show you the tools I use along the way and let you know what it rides like after. So the first thing I did when I got the tires off is I went around and sprayed some WD-40 on all the fasteners I'm going to be taking loose, just so while I was setting everything up, getting my tools out, they'd have a little bit of time to set in. I started on the rear end for this project, and it turned out to be a whole lot easier than the front. Rear shocks are very simple. There's basically 3 bolts, 2 up top and then 1 down on the bottom. I had to use a 1/2-inch ratchet just to get a little leverage to get the bottom one busted loose, but then after that I just used an air ratchet to run the bolt in and out. The front were a little more challenging to get loose and tighten back up. They would have worked better if I had a 1/2-inch pneumatic air impact, but I didn't have that, so I just kind of tried to make it do. Tried a bunch of wrenches, channel locks, whatever I could to get the shock to stay put and get the nut to turn on the top side. That was the biggest problem I had. Just tried a bunch of different combinations, and then finally it ended up being that channel locks and a ratcheting wrench is actually what got it for me. I tried my little Milwaukee battery powered impact, and it just didn't seem to have enough torque for it.
Absolutely necessary. Yeah. But it's absolutely necessary. Yeah.
Okay, so to get more access to the shock and the upper mount, I went ahead and took the inner fender well loose, and there's just a couple little plastic clips that hold that up against the frame. Pretty simple. All in all, real happy with this project. Like I said, I've had Bilsteins on most all my vehicles, been very happy with them, this included. I've been driving it for a couple months now and real happy with it.